Okay, so for this we can simplify each surd, okay, so that we end up having a common surd and then we can put it together. That's usually how this question works. So if we take, for instance, the first one here, 32, and I would split this sort of question up, so focus on each surd in turn. The 32, what we'll do is we'll try and simplify it and we'll try and think of a pair that multiply to give 32. And of course the pair I'm thinking of here is 16 and 2. Okay, that's quite simple, isn't it? 16 times 2 is 32. Okay, but the good thing is then, of course, with surds, the rules are, you can split these square roots up. Okay, and of course square root of 16 is 4, right? And then times root 2. Okay, so there's our simplified answer. Root 32 all of a sudden now becomes 4 root 2. Okay, a lot simpler. The surd is a lot simpler, and that was just looking for a pair of numbers that multiply to give 32, and one of them happen to be square. Yeah, so we want to find one of them to be square, and 16 of course is a square number, so when you split up the surds you can square root it. We'll do the same now for 128. Remember what I said earlier. Okay, the idea is to get a common surd here. So 2 is what I want to get to for all of them. So let's think now, can I multiply something by 2 to get 128? Of course, if you think about it, it would be 64 times 2. And if I split them up, okay, square root of 64 is 8. So it'll be 8 root 2. Okay, and then finally then, the square root of 200. Okay, again, times that by 2, it would be 100, wouldn't it? Okay, and split that up. Well, 100 is a square number, isn't it? So square root of 100 is 10. So you get 10 root 2. Now notice they're all common. So I can replace now these surds with their equivalent here. So root 32 becomes 4 root 2. Square root of 128 becomes 8 root 2. And square root of 200 becomes 10 root 2. So put them together. Okay. Well, 4 and 8 is 12, take away 10 is 2. So my final answer simplified is 2 root 2. Okay.